Hi guys, this is Rich with Wild Wonderful Weekends, and I just wanted to share a video today to show you guys what I did with my entry-level kayak to make its seat a lot more comfortable. So this is a Pelican Trailblazer, and like a lot of the entry-level kayaks, they're a lot of fun, but when you spend more than an hour or two on them, it really starts to kind of get painful. And one of the things was the backrest that was bothering me the most. And so I had an idea to try this lumbar pillow that's just been laying around the house on this kayak, and it actually turned out really well because the pillow has straps that lock right onto the back of this thing. So I'll show you what that looks like right now. So this is a lumbar pillow made by Fager, or Fagar, I'm not sure exactly how to pronounce it. And as you can see, it has these straps on the back that are adjustable and elastic, and it can just fit right over the back rest that's already in your Pelican. You actually can unbuckle it and put it around the bottom, and then put the top strap around it like that, and it just fits right in there, and it makes a world of difference. And this is like 30 bucks on Amazon. I'll link to it in the description in case you guys want to check that out, because I'd seen some other videos where people were cutting out like the existing seat, and I really didn't want to hack on my kayak if I didn't have to, in case I ever want to resell it or something like that. Plus I wasn't sure how far back the seat would be, so for me right now this is a much better option. And they actually sell like seat cushions too, so if you had both of those, you'd probably really improve the feel of your kayak. Anyway, just wanted to share that. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.